The cabin station drives two things. One is a printhead lock, which is in the back, is a white lock. Another one is this little wiper. Say flipped up and then now come down. And if it doesn't come down, it's going to stop your printhead from moving to the left. And the cabin station reads the bladder, the wiper, and use the wiper to wipe the bottom of the printer carriage. And remember in my previous video, I showed you when the wiper's up, the printhead lock, the white lock, is down. However, yours out of sync, so you have both wiper and the lock on, so that's where you hear that noise. Okay, I got plenty of videos in my channel and show you how to service a cabin station, how to make sure your gears in sync. I will not repeat here. And in terms how to find them, go do a search. And okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at bchtechnology.com or locally, Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.